For the last 12 years, I've been helping people build a simple foundation when it comes to the nutrition and it comes to the workout plans. You need to keep it simple and you need the foundation to be strong because life is going to hit you. You're going to have kids, you're going to have birthday parties, you're going to have vacations, you're going to have stress from your job. But when your foundation is solid, those things won't knock you off your plan. Same thing goes for your spiritual walk. So many of us are building on this weak sand, and so when the wind hits and sickness hits and death hits our lives or stress from the jobs, we so easily go to other things. But Matthew 7:24 and 25, it says, "Therefore everyone who hears these words of mine and acts on them will be like a wise man who built his house on the rock. The rain fell, the rivers rose, the winds blew and pounded the house, yet it didn't collapse because its foundation was on the rock." You have to build some spiritual disciplines in your life, some spiritual rhythms to help you build a foundation on Jesus Christ. Change your body, change your mind, change your heart. Let's go.